Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can get rid of the photo boom or unwanted objects in your photo using EPIK apps. So the first step that you need to do is just open your photo on EPIK, and in here go to tools, then click on remove option. And after that you can just brush the object off, the one that you want to remove in your photo, like this for example, and press it and it will be removed from your photo like this for example. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, don't forget to like, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.